Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. Before starting 7th chapter of Unit 3, we will do revision of Unit 2, that is, revision of articles, pronouns, and adjectives. So, today we will solve worksheet and we will do revision. So, please open your book and take out page number 52. Worksheet 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. When you go to Agra, be sure to visit the Taj Mahal and the Agra Fort. Gautam plays the sitar and his brother plays the tabla. I am in a hurry because I have to pick up a book before the bookstore closes. What an exciting day it is! For me, summer vacations are the best time of the year. Match the nouns to the pronouns. Sarah and Sunil. D, that is they. A car, it. Maya, she. Joseph, he. My sister and I, B. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Use the clues in the brackets. Anil has made a dash painting that which looks good, so beautiful. Anil has made a beautiful painting. Rohit was making dash faces that which makes you laugh, funny faces. Please finish dash lunch quickly. Possessive adjective. Your lunch quickly. Anubhav is a very dash boy, opposite of foolish, clever boy. Our friendship is very dash, not weak, strong. Do you and dash family travel often? Positive adjective. Your. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles and read this story. Once a flower and a butterfly became friends. Each morning, when the sun rose, the flower would open its petals. The butterfly would come and sit on the flower. One day, the butterfly asked the bird to go with her to the flower. When they reached the flower, an ant was already sitting there. What a surprise, said the butterfly. This is my flower. Can you please go to another flower? Oh no, said the ant. Don't send me away. I have an idea, said the bird. We can all be friends. After saying goodbye to the flower, the butterfly, the bird, and the ant played in the garden. Write adjectives for these nouns. Flower is noun, so we will write adjective. Wildflower, friend, best friend, early morning, big surprise, crazy idea, bluebird. Now revision 2. Take the correct articles in the brackets. 17 is an odd number. So it is odd, vowels, starting with vowels O. So we will take an article. Name the smallest state in India. The. I have never tasted an apple pie. How many planets are there in the solar system? What is the name of the next railway station? I would like to have a glass of orange juice. Bhavna looked at the snow covered pine trees. Did you see the new orangutan at the zoo? Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the to complete this sentence. Mr. Sharma is a doctor. His wife is an architect. Here, doctor starting with consonants, so A. Here, starting with vowels, so N. Abha is the best student in our class. Bought a beautiful painting. The dolls museum is closed today. Do you have a dictionary? I spent an hour trying to buy a ticket. Have you ever seen a UFO? Can you tell me the way to the State Bank of India? Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. Suman and Amit are my cousins. Dash are twins. Them, they. So correct answer is they. They are twins. Dad's brother is studying hard. Dad wants to become a doctor. He. So he is the correct answer. He wants to become a doctor. Our teacher is not Belle. Help her to carry the books. This dress is new. Do you like dash my it? It is the correct answer. Let us go and watch the new movie. My name is Stuti. I live in that house. Anil's car is old but it looks new. Are you going to visit Mr. and Mrs. Khan? Give them my regards. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. The brown pup is dash. It's mine. So mine is the correct answer. Summer lent me a camera. This camera is his. Is this Anoop's coat? No, this is dash. Them mine. So mine is correct answer. Latika and Fali are friends of dash. Ours, it's ours. The children are outside playing with a friend of dash. Hers, theirs. Please return the eraser to Mala. It is dash. His, hers. Write the opposite gender of these nouns and pronouns. You have to write opposite gender. Nephew, opposite gender is niece. She, he. Empress, emperor. Headmaster, headmistress. Mare, stallion. Grandson, granddaughter. Woman, man. Him, her. Rewrite this sentence by changing the gender of the underlined words. You may have to make other changes. She finished her homework quickly. She and her are the underlined genders. So opposite of she is he. Her will become his. Grandfather will become grandmother is talking to the landlord will become landlady and his daughter will become her son. The prince and the actor are childhood friends. The princess and the actor are childhood friends. The peacock will become peahen. Gender will become goose. The fox will become vixen. So the cock and the goose and the vixen met in the forest. The boy's uncle is Mrs. Tulsi's wife. So boys will become girl, uncle will become aunt, Mrs. will become Mr. and husband will become wife. The young hero is Mr. Kapoor's grandson. Hero will become heroine. Mr. will become Mrs. Grandson will become granddaughter. Circle the adjectives that can be used with the words in capital. You may circle one or more words in each set. So, the word is answer. So, the suitable adjective is polite and correct. Polite answer, correct answer. Apples, juicy apples. Peacock, colorful peacock, proud peacock. Class, noisy class, intelligent class. Horse, young horse, stubborn horse. Trousers, warm trouser, new trousers. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the brackets. My bag is heavier than this bag. It's your. My doll is old but this doll is new. Her doll is new. Our family is going on a vacation. Is your shirt new? Their children are older than us. So, dear students, in the next video, we will start Unit 3. Till then, please revise this worksheet what we have done today. Thank you and have a nice day.